Champ barbecuers. Today we're doing up a bacon wrapped pork loin on the Weber Kettle. Oh hell yeah. Check this out.
Give me a hell yeah!
So this pork loin, we are using Uncle Steve's Shake. Pig powder. Oh hell yeah. Wrapping it in bacon. And then we're going to hit it with the sweet and spicy R from Uncle Steve's Shake. Oh hell yes. Popping it onto the Weber Kettle. We're going to cook this indirect for a couple hours or so. And we're going to get the internal temp up to about 140 degrees. Pull it if that bacon is crispy. And then let it rest for a little bit. And then cut into it. Oh hell yeah. Woo! Well, it's done. Giant windstorm. Wow.
Give me a hell yeah!
Boom. Let's get a bite of this. Oh hell yeah. Smells delicious. Oh, the bacon's falling off. Whoo. Oh hell yeah. That rocks, folks. God dang. That Uncle Steve's, the pig powder, it's got a good amount of pepper in there, which is awesome. And then that sweet and spicy R on the bacon. Woo! Got a little kick to her. Man, it's perfect. Well balanced, awesome pork tenderloin. Less than $10, well, about 12 with the bacon and the rub. Leave a comment down below, hit the thumbs up, and smash that dinner bell because oh hell yeah, that's what time it is. And in your comments, leave hashtag Beer Champ Barbecue and hashtag Uncle Steve's Shake. There's a good reason for it. And nail that thumbs up. We got some beer mail. Oh hell yeah. We got a couple new stickers to hit the boards. Oh yeah, let's check these out. First one's from Ukulele J. Hi Rob, thanks for the follow. Smoke on. Oh hell yeah. Thank you, brother. And we got a couple stickers in there. He got a fancy one in there too. Look at this hologram. And his original logo, which that is gonna go, heck yeah. Gonna be putting that on the board in just 1 minute, because we got one more from Dustin over at TN Grillin'. Now these guys, both of them, link will be down below. Go follow them. Go show them some love. Thank you so much for your support. I'll be giving you a shout out in one of my upcoming videos. Oh hell yeah. Thank you, Dustin. TN Grillin' and Smoking. And that, being a smaller sticker, will fit up on the main board here, because I went on to a second. Let's get these put up there. Rock and roll. Oh yeah. That's cool. That's cool.
Give me a hell yeah.
Watch me going. Scary.